Welcome to the underside of my 2004 WRX STI. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at the Kartboy exhaust hangers. So we have these in two different sizes. We have the same as stock, which is 35 millimeters center to center. We also have an extended length version, which is 60 millimeters center to center. In case you have a unique exhaust setup or you're looking for that perfect fitment for your exhaust tip. In my case, we're gonna be installing one of these to showcase the difference between 22-year-old factory rubber hangers versus the Kartboy version. So if you look up, you'll see what a 22-year-old Subaru actually looks like when you don't buy it on Bring a Trailer for 65 grand. Anyway, so right here is my exhaust. So I still have factory hangers on both sides. And what I've noticed is I'm getting a little bit of flame scoring on here, which is kind of cool actually. But if I move this exhaust around, you can see this hanger really isn't doing much. And this exhaust can move a ton. So I have stock hangers on both sides. Actually, this whole exhaust is stock hangers. I'm gonna replace one of them with our Kartboy polyurethane version just to showcase the difference, and eventually I will get around to swapping them all. So how we're gonna do this is I highly recommend exhaust hanger pliers. They'll make your life a lot easier. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop this exhaust hanger off. Rotate it out the way so that we can rinse and repeat the other side and see if we can do it without knocking half of my car apart, because I know it's rusty. Everybody don't go in the comments and comment. She's sensitive. Pop this exhaust hanger off. See the difference that 20 years makes. So this one's still nice and firm. This one is very soft and pliable. Also has a much bigger cutout, which makes it just sag over time. So this one won't sag. Now we can start working the Kartboy polyurethane version. That's actually a great idea. Those work to put them on too. All right, so on this side we have the Kartboy polyurethane version. On the left-hand side is factory OEM, that's 20 years old. So if I move this around, you can actually see this is flexing a little bit. That one is just, look at this one isn't even, it's just moving in the hole. Like this one isn't doing anything anymore. Eventually I'll get through this and I'll put these all the way up the exhaust. Just not gonna do it today. But if you're interested in these, kartboy.com. If you have any questions, what fits my car, comments or concerns, shoot us an email, supportboy@kartboy.com. Myself or Harris, our marketing dude, will get back to you as quickly as we can, get your car back on the road. So check out our exhaust hangers at kartboy.com. Thank you very much. Thank you for telling me my car is rusty. I know it's rusty. You don't need me to tell it's rusty. It's sensitive, okay? I know. It came out of Michigan. So thanks a lot, Michigan. I don't appreciate your salt. Anyway, I love you. Goodbye.